Hi, I'm Isaiah Coberly. I'd like to show you MOI. This is called Moment of Inspiration, and I believe that this is probably one of the world's first NURBS modeling system to go on the next generation of computers that has multi-touch. This is a Samsung Ativ 700T. It has 10-point multi-touch recognition and a Wacom stylus. So it's a penable computer. And this is a full three-dimensional interface with multi-touch navigation, and it's also a NURBS modeling. So I'm going to go to a top view really quick. I'm just going to kind of show you some of the benefits. You can see that in an orthographical view, I can actually rotate and twist the screen. I'm going to go to a free-form curve style. That means that I'm sketching the curve and kind of letting the system determine how many points go down. And I'm just going to go ahead and walk through here and kind of sketch all of these curves. Zoom in a little bit so they can see that, Lexi. Alright, and so there we go. And now I'm going to go back and I'll cross all of them off here. And you can see that I'm kind of matching this up with the direction that my hand wants to travel so that it's a little bit easier here, and I'm able to actually do that. I'm also actually able to do it a little bit with the stand that I'm working with, which is called a Flipsteady. So for instance, I can come through here and kind of quickly trace these. Stop it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and trim these curves up. I'll go in and say Edit, Trim. I'm going to go select these. Alright, and then I go Done and Done. And then I'll select objects that I want to keep. So I just select the boundaries, and you can see all of the extremities are not being selected. Whoops. Alright, and all of these extremities, when I click right-click, just go away. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to graduate down to a three-dimensional view, and I'll select this and just kind of reset my view so that I get in on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and select all of that and join it, and I'll go extrude, and now I'm extruding it up in 3 dimensions. Alright, so now you can see this is my object. Now I want to give it a nice little wave there, so I'm going to go to a front view. And I'm going to use my freeform tool again. All the orthographical views have a roll to them as well, which is a really nice feature. So I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of draw something that might be the shape of that. I'll go to a three-dimensional view and locate that particular piece of geometry. You can see it's right there. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a transform move, and I'm just going to go ahead and move that over closer to the leaf. And then from here, I'll reset my view, and I'll go ahead and say construct, extrude. I'm just going to extrude it all the way through that leaf. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab that surface, and I'm going to say extrude again, and I'm just going to extrude it all the way up. And then from here I can see that I have 2 surfaces now, 2 closed surfaces. So I'll say Boolean, and from here I'm going to say I'm going to use a difference. It's asking me to select the base object, so I go ahead and select the leaf, select Done, and then I'm going to subtract the top and click Done. And you can see that I have this really nice leaf now. So anyhow, yeah, that's MOI. This is on a Samsung Ativ 700T, and this is a Flipsteady case that's specifically built for the device. Thank you for watching.